CS Labels is a family-run manufacturer of over 40 years, delivering award-winning digital labels and pouch solutions to our customers. We partnered with Zycon in 2007 and installed our first digital press. Today, we're one of Zycon's biggest print houses across the globe. When you really think about it, labels are everywhere. Food and drink packaging, on your healthcare products, in retail environment, chemicals, equipment and beyond. We cater for every industry there is. We have a studio that supports our customers transitioning artwork into labels and pouches. We use Adobe Cloud and have a sophisticated pre-flight system to check digital artwork files.
Our sales team will manage your account and look at ways to work with you to deliver exactly what you need and want. Many of our customers will send over artwork and say, "What do you think? What could you do with this?" We're trusted to know, understand and deliver something that will represent the product and the brand. We work with startups, SMEs, all the way up to large corporations. Our customer engagement and retention rate is exceptional, and we're always looking forward to the newest products, materials, finishes and processes to deliver and exceed our customers' expectations.
We currently have 5 Zycon digital presses, 1 Zycon inkjet press and various GM converting finishing machines. We have a suite of laminating and embellishment lines too. The production floor is designed specifically to complement our processes. Our bespoke flexible pouch conversion line allows us to convert our flexible pouches in-house. This gives us control, visibility and speed of service. Whether it be small and functional labels to high-end, fully embellished labels. Our quality processes are consistent and we take great pride in seeing our labels out in the market.
As a business, sustainability is always on the agenda. We're proud to be a zero to landfill site. One of the major advantages to being a 100% digital site is the low carbon footprint. The beauty of digital print is the ability to react to demand quickly. We get asked regularly about how CS continues to evolve. The answer is innovation. We're different. We like being unique and strive to create the impossible. We have a fantastic consultative relationship with our customers who trust us to deliver the exceptional. It's why we've won so many industry awards. Here at CS, we champion change. We do things differently here and welcome customers into a relationship that's valued. It's one of the reasons we've gone from strength to strength in a very competitive market. At CS, our family values are still driving factors in everything we do. Our technology is constantly changing and we're excited to see what the future brings.